Siphinde sinibingelele babukeli beKamave TV with Prince Bheka kaZulu. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like and comment. We've got full videos on YouTube channel called Kamave TV with Prince Bheka kaZulu. If you go there, please don't forget to subscribe, share, like and comment. Lapha na ngifuna ukuzophendula ubani loyana uSandiswa 197 uthi uphila ixesha engakanani umuntu othweleyo. Okay, right. Before ngimphendule khona enye comment engiyibonile la ethi uthwele yini makuwukuthi awuthwele ungena kanjani ezihlokweni noma ezindabeni zokuthwala. No, kwesinye isikhathi khona ukuthi abantu size sixabane nabo nje kanti bayasifollowa noma siyalandelana siyafollowana nabo. Hayi kwesinye isikhathi ngoba umuntu esuke enza impi yini unondweni loyana bento athi kuye usihlangana naphi nezinto zokuthwala sithwele yini thina uma ukuthi asithwele singenaphi ezintweni zokuthwala. Impendulo yami kuyena lapha na ithi yena ngoba ekhuluma lapha uthwele ngiyama lapha base ngiza ke kwi main topic kasisi usisi umXhosa muhle. You are so beautiful my sister. Igama lakhe uSandiswa 197. No, impendulo lapha na kulento yokuthi uphila iminyaka emingaki mangabe uthwele. No, it's another type of isithwalo lapho suke sikhuluma ngalento ekuthiwa i-contract. La kwe-contract ke usuke ukhethileke ukuthi uzophila isikhathi esingaka. I-contract iba nesikhathi ukuba yisona i-due time ne-expired time. So usuke ukhethileke wena mhlambe ke senze example sithi nje 5 years, of which means ke uzophila lo 5 years. Awuzuphila ke exactly 5 years, maybe 3.5 years. Uthi 1.5 year musu uyahamba nawe uya kwenye indawo ozobe udirectwe ngayo le contract oyisayine naloya muntu. Isivumelwano saka spiritual sesenziwa even on papers. Uzobe usuthi ke lo 1.5 year nawe uzobe ususebenza ke futhi kusetshenziswa wena ukuthi kuthwale abanye abantu. Awu kanjani na angithi into yangale yana bengezile ukuzochaza yona.